Hello everyone, welcome to JR Simplified Mathematics. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.1 second question. Write the first four terms of the following AP given the first term and the common difference. Okay, here they have given what is the first term and they have given what is the common difference. So we have to find out the next four terms. That's it. Simple and easy. For this we have to know what is the general term of an AP, general form of an AP. Okay, it is general form of an AP, and the general form of an AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and it goes on until a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now let's solve this thing. We know what's the first term. It is given that a equals to 10, and we're going to find the second term, that is a plus d. And just substitute the value. A is 10 and d is also 10. We'll be getting the value to be 20. And for third term, a plus 2d, that is a is 10 and 2 times the common difference. We'll be getting 30. And for the fourth term, that is a plus 3d, it is 10 plus 3 times the common difference, and it's going to be 40. So we'll write it over here, that is 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, let's go to the second question now. Here it is given that a is equals minus 2 and the difference, common difference, is going to be 0. I have said in the introduction of AP video that the common difference can either be positive, negative as well as 0, and this is an example for where the common difference goes 0. So what happens in this case is all the four terms will remain same. How exactly? I'll tell you. That is a, that's given like minus 2, and I'm going to find out second term with the general form of AP, that's a plus d. So I'm substituting the value. Okay, so it's going to be minus 2 plus 0, and it's going to be minus 2 itself, and it continues to all the cases, that is a plus 2d minus 2, a plus 3d equals minus 2. And for this, the AP forms a sequence like minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, let's go to the third one now. Here it is. The first term is given to be 4, and it is said that common difference is minus 3. Now we have to find out the four terms. That's it. We know one term already, so we'll substitute the value, just that's it. Okay, a is equals 4. I'm going to find it by adding a common difference with it to find the second term, that is a is 4 and the common difference is going to be minus 3. I'm putting it in a bracket, and it's going to be 4 minus 3, that's going to be 1. A plus 2d, that is 4 plus 2 times the common difference, and it's going to be 4 plus 3 2s are 6, and it's going to be minus, and it's 4 minus 6, so obviously it's going to be higher symbol sign, so minus sign, and I'll be getting the answer to be 2. It's going to be minus 2. The next term, a plus 3d, it's going to be a is 4 plus 3 times the common difference, that's going to be, okay, now it is going to be 3 3s are 9 with a simple minus sign and 4. So it's like 9 minus 4, and we'll be getting minus 5. Yes, it's an easy thing. Okay, so 4 is the first term, second term, third term and the fourth term. That's it. Let's go to the fourth question now. These are 1 marker questions and it can be asked in your common exams. Okay, so what is a given in the fourth question? Minus 1. The difference is half. Okay, it's an easy one. A is given like minus 1, and we're going to be finding out the second term just by adding the common difference. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 half. Let me take the LCM. that is minus 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2, and it gives minus 1 by 2. Okay, let's find the next term, a plus 2d. That is, a is given minus 1 plus 2 times the difference, that is going to be half. Here this 2 and over here it gets cancelled off, and it gives minus 1 plus 1, which gives 0. Okay, next one, a plus 3d, and it is nothing but minus 1 plus 3 times the common difference. It gives minus 1 plus 3 by 2. 3 ones are 3 by 2. And we are again going to take the LCM now. That is 2 ones are 2 minus 2 plus 3 by 2. And it is going to give 1 plus 1 by 2. We have found the 4 terms. Now we shall write it over here. That is minus 1, minus half, 0, half, and 1. Okay, if we are going to find out one more term, it will be 1. Obviously, we're going to be adding the common difference, that is half, and it will be going on from 1, 1 and half, and it goes on. But not required, okay? There as for only 4 terms. Okay, let's go to the 5th question now. Okay, the first term is given to be minus 1.25, and the common difference is given to be minus 0.250. Okay, now we shall just go on saying that a is given minus 1.25, and we are going to add the common difference, that is d, that is minus 1.25. Let me put in a bracket. It's better to put in a bracket whenever you get a minus sign, so that it will not be confusing. That's it. Okay, so minus 1.25 plus again a minus symbol, so I'm putting in a bracket 0.25. Okay, here look at it. It has a minus symbol, and it also has a minus symbol. So I'm going to be putting the same sign, and I'm going to be adding it, or it just simply means it's going to be 0.25, it gives 0.50, or you can do over here itself 0.25 minus 1.25 minus 0.25, and it gives greater value sign, and it gives minus 1.50. Okay, next one, a plus 2d, that is given minus 1.25 as a first term, and 2 times the difference, the common difference, minus 0.25. And what is this going to give now? Yes, exactly, we're going to be adding a 0.25, that is minus 0.25 to this. That's it. It's not a big deal. You can add up a 0.25 to this, or you can find out the whole thing. It doesn't matter, but I suggest a easy way, that you just go on adding this difference to the value that you got. Okay, the value you'll get, that's minus 1.50, add upon this minus 0.25, and you will be getting the answer for this to be a greater number sign, minus 1.75. It's an easy way. Let me show you one more thing. Just by adding this 0.25 to this, that's it. That is minus 0.25 again, and we'll be getting minus 2 at last. That is minus 2. So it's an easy thing, and this is a time saving thing. You need not to go on adding this and multiplying this. No, not required. We can just go on adding this common difference to the value you get, just like this. Okay, so let me write the 4 terms, minus 1.25 and minus 1.50, it's minus 1.75 and minus 2. Yes, that's it. For the next video, I'll be uploading the 3rd question, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.